Please subscribe my channel, like and share, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. So what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button below.
Have you ever wondered how to change the color of the mouse cursor or size of the cursor? You want to make it a bigger? It's easy. Stick around. I'll show you how. First you will click on search and write mouse settings. So as soon as I write mouse, you can see here it's showing mouse settings. So I'll click on it. Then on the right side there are two options, adjust mouse and cursor size and additional mouse option. So we will click on the first, adjust mouse and cursor size. So here we are. You can see my mouse cursor. I can increase the size from here. Now you can see the size of my mouse is increasing, and the same way I can decrease the size. So this is a smaller size. So depending on your use, you can decrease or increase the size. And there are also few customize option if you want to change your mouse and the color also. Yes, just click here and you see I have this colors changing, these neon colors. It's looking really nice. But if you don't like these colors, you can pick your custom color also. Just click here, and for example if I want red, just click in done, and you see you have a nice mouse pointer. So if you are bored with the old mouse style and pointers, you can increase decrease the size, you can change the color. That's easily. I hope this video is really helpful for you. Please give it a like, subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed, make sure to press the bell icon, share with your friend family so other may benefit also. Take care. Allah Hafiz.